you like to spend your day off?
Where's Trip?
He's sound asleep.
And I would like to start with breakfast.
How do you want your eggs?
Fertilized.
Really?
Yeah. We're too good at